Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Zazzle store. First, visit Zazzle. And click Sign In to create your account. You can use your email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Once logged in, find the cell link to start your store setup. It's crucial to pick a unique store name now, as it becomes a permanent part of your store's web address. Finally, complete your designer profile by adding a picture and a brief description about yourself. Now that your store is open, it's time for the fun part, designing products. Zazzle offers hundreds of items, from apparel to home decor. Upload your unique artwork and use Zazzle's intuitive design tool to place it perfectly. Always check that your design stays within the safe and bleed lines to ensure it prints correctly. You also get to set your own royalty rate, which can be as high as 99% for digital products, giving you control over your earnings. With products designed, focus on making your store appealing. Upload a high-quality store banner with a recommended size of 2,400 by 600 pixels to enhance your brand. Craft a compelling store description to connect with potential customers. Optimize each product listing with clear titles, relevant tags, and detailed descriptions to improve discoverability. Don't forget to promote your store across social media and other online platforms to drive traffic and sales. Understanding earnings and payments is key. Zazzle simplifies the process by handling all manufacturing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus solely on design. You can set your payment threshold. The default is $50 for PayPal and $100 for a check. Payments are typically issued within 45 days after the end of the month once your earnings have cleared. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Providing accurate payee and tax information is essential to avoid any payment delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.